Guys, last time we told you in the turtle video, we are gonna make a house to our grandmas. We'll do the floor. Yeah, the full house. So we are gonna do upstairs too, because yeah, like that. We'll start from the. Okay, so we'll start with the dining room. Outside, you see. And this is our turtle cage. And this is for eating usually. And that's a sink. And that's also for us to play. And we continue. Last time we already did the plants, but we are gonna still do it again when you don't remember. So this is the plants down here. And this is the last time we told you only a bit of seconds. So now we are gonna have the full one. And this is where we pray. This is my favorite flowers, you guys. They look so wonderful. And I think this is dead. Oh, that one, the up one is dead. And then I love these flowers too. And this flowers is still alive. I don't know which one is new, guys. Guys, if you know which one is new, like in the comment. Try to guess. Because I don't know. And this, and then that's our lab. Yeah, that's our lab when it's nighttime. And upstairs is the decoration with leaves. They grow so many. And this is some more lights and lights. And we want to make the garden cute. So we put some grass on the floor. And then we get some cute buckets for decoration. Some of them are already dead, but yeah. And then there's more plants over there and rocks to sit down. Guys, like in the comment below, should we do outside this time? I don't know, like in the comments. Okay, and this is the plants that are a bit new. And there's more lights, and this is a hanger for our stairs. And don't spray me. And then there are more plants. And then over here, there's like a little box. I don't know what is that. But this is the basketball area that is very old. I can't use that so easy. But the basketball is getting a bit not tight, so we are not playing basketball today. And then, guys, we just started from the swing. This is the swing. It's a bit old. And then let's go start inside. So my grandma loved to sew that much. As you know, guys, now in the whole wide world there is corona. So we make masker, homemade, and this is my grandma's work again. My bag, and then my brother's bag. This is the stairs, and this is the pantry. And this is where we hang out. So this is the sofa, more sofa, because we will have a lot of guests when we have, because my grandma's friend is a lot. And more. And this is where we play that we just played before. And then we'll go over there. Our grandma's room is there somewhere. Over there. Here. This is our grandma's picture, our decoration, that's the stairs. And then here. We have some yoga boots and to exercise. And this is also our and this is AC roll, so it is very fun. You can play, guys. You can play that too. And here's some more. We go here, and then can you guys see? We have some more and some glass. And over there we're gonna go over there, but we need to turn on the lights. Come on.
guys.
Okay, guys. This is we already turned on the lights. Some more plants. We have a lot of plants in this house. Our picture will show them later. And then, oh, this is our this is our figures and some glass and some treasure. This is very precious. And my brothers. And then here, this is the door, so you can go. Actually, we have 2 doors from here to there. And then we have a couch. And we have a light. You want to see? Light? Wait. Oh yeah, light. Okay. Let's turn it off. Okay. Okay, now so we're gonna look outside what it looks like. We have a lot of plants outside too. This is where we play. This is where we play. And there's like, we can sit down and there's a garden. So we can play and run around. Be careful guys, when you have a house like stairs, watch out. And some more plants. We have tons of plants.
Here's our dog.
You have tons of plants, guys, like in the comment below. And then this is our gate. And here we have a bell and a full trash bag. And outside we play bicycles. All our things are here. Bicycles, scooters. At home we only have like scooters only. And the front is like this. I already told you there is 2 doors. 1, 2. We're gonna go over here this time because I think that one is fine. And this is our grandma's and windows. Grandma's window and some more. Okay guys, now we are gonna go inside this. I'm just kidding. Before we're gonna go inside, it's a bit dark because we don't turn the lights. And we'll show you.
This is our bike.
This is our bike. Actually, guys, you can use it without of training wheels. We
take it out.
we take one training wheel to train first and then another one. So this is a kitchen. We have like 2 kitchens. 1, 2. This is our kitchen. Let me turn on the light. Okay. So this is to bake a cake, refrigerator, and more. This is our kitchen. Let's go look around. This is the trash can. And this is our bubble for our presents and our birthday. Okay, this is what are we gonna have for dinner. Okay, I guess we're gonna eat that for dinner. But let's go inside. This is a big part. And this is the dining room. And this is my grandma's work that I just showed you earlier. And here's another pantry. So we have a small refrigerator. Oh, I'm gonna get some little snack.
Okay.
Did you ever taste jelly beans before? I think I do watch some videos in YouTube. Saw somebody eat jelly beans challenge.
Yeah.
Next we're gonna go upstairs. My voice is not clear because I'm eating.
Oh.
Okay, we made up a little bit. Only 1 more stairs. And this is like something we can hold. And some decoration here.
Yeah, there's power there.
Okay, let's go up. Oh yeah, this is our painting. Let's go up. If you know guys, we have black stairs if you the camera doesn't show. And then we have white for the thing. And then we have a little bell. And this is so we can close it. So here is this is so shiny. This is our bathroom for kids. And this is and this is our bathroom. This is actually mine, and then this is my brother's. Actually, this is when my dad is small. Now we use it for my brother. But in my room there's 2 beds, so we share. And then this is for our cousin. Okay. And then this is what this looks like. A broken hula hoop. And the chair. Oh yeah, this is my brother's creative. Do you like it? It's kind of old, but let's go keep continuing. And this more wallpaper. Guys, here I'll show you something. Yeah, this is this is our creative and our picture. And over here, guys, we sit down, and then we can see a nice this look like outside. Here,
I really
I'll
like
put the camera closer. You see, this is what this looks outside. The ceiling. Let's go back. And we have like a window. This is a bit dirty. Okay guys, now we are gonna come back to our room. So there, I told you everything is empty because we don't stay here. And then when we have flood, we stay here. I think this is a carpet. And then this have a boring toys, some balls. I don't need these toys. This is for babies when we are still small. This bed is too. I think we have to share that bed because this is so high. And here we have another pantry when we stay here. Oh yeah, guys, this room connect to my mom's room, but we cannot go in. This is what this look like. So that is our mom's room. Come on, and our dad's room. Come on, let's go. Let's go check our mom's and dad's room. Oh, yeah, this is here. Okay, guys. And long time ago, our dad stay here, and that's the trophy.
my
The
dad.
trophy. Come on, let's go. Keep going.
No.
And this is like a chair or something. I don't know. And we have another gate. And this looks like empty. And this is like a tray.
Like the small
This is when my brother is so small. And then a table and then chairs to move downstairs. And this is we have this when we in our when my dad is working. But now we already move it because this is too big and we don't have any space. And some lost stickers, we lost stickers, and a TV, but they're locked. So, and then what is this? And then over here we have some toys, but they're old. There's nothing. Some balls. This is for babies. I don't use it. We don't like this baby's toys. Never mind. Let's go keep going. And there's a wrapper. Okay. And we are not able to look outside because they are so hot. And this is our mom's room. And this is a refrigerator. What is this? I think this is old. Where's the lights? Oh, the lights are here. Okay, guys, this is a telephone and more. And this is important things that my mom keeps. What's even inside? I think they're locked. I think everything's locked. And the bed's so comfy. And then, what is this? Is this a bench? Oh yeah, guys, before, do you remember that I just spoke in our room? It's connecting. This is the connecting room. And I think this is also...
The Baymax bed. I think smaller. I like Baymax.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't hit this. Okay, you want to see inside? So I think this is our work room. Oh yeah, this is our mom's clothes. What does it look like? Are they locked? Oh, so there's nothing here. Let's go try this one. Oh, nothing here either. Okay, guys, you saw this one is empty, because they already taken by our mom to our house. And then I think this is, yeah, this will have a lot of clothes. Even a poster. Yeah, 1,000 of clothes. How many my mom has? And this is the last one. Okay, now we're going back here. I'll explain. This is our work table and more. And some stickers. We love stickers. And just going to the bang. What is this? There's some more. What is that door? I never seen it before. I don't know. The bathroom is very big, guys. There's a toilet and 2 sinks in the bathroom and a tub. Guys, look how big is this. There's even echo, and what is this? And some rocks. Some echo. Oh yeah, my mom said I can take some of these, but they're like headbands. Let me see. Okay, now we are gonna open this, and this is what it looks like. Wait. Oh, they look a bit old. Are these new or old? I'm never gonna take a bath here because this is old.
So guys,
Let's go explain a little bit more. What is this door? I never opened. Okay guys, now this is the last thing we can touch and we'll end this video. So there's a mirror, we're gonna look. Okay? Look. Look, do you see? It's a bit small, but do you see? Okay guys,
come on guys.
come on guys, this is what this look like. You see it, and some stairs and our pictures, and that's our window, and this is very big sky.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is even bigger than our house. Oh, excuse me. Now we're gonna end this video because we want to play bicycle. So bye bye. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Like and subscribe and get a big thumbs up.
For like I can TV.
Yeah, Angel and Lucky Kids TV.
Okay,
Guys,
guys.
you know what is the funniest part of the video? The makeup. You should check it out in our channel. Okay, we're gonna go and play bicycle. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.